Good morning, all of you. You are most welcome again after Deepavali vacation. Today, we discuss about another gland, that is the parathyroid gland. In last period, already discussed about thyroid gland. Location of thyroid gland, position of thyroid gland, secretion of thyroid gland, and functions of thyroid gland. You know the hormones secreted by thyroid gland, that is a thyroxine and calcitonin. You have seen in detail order and disorders of thyroxine, means function and disorder. You have seen in detail, no doubt. As well as about calcitonin, that secreted by parafollicular cells of thyroid gland. You also seen. Today you have to discuss about another gland, that is a parathyroid gland. See the diagram in the book please. आपको डायग्राम देखना है और डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. मे बी चांसेस इन एग्जामिनेशन. मैंने बहुत बार बताया आप लोगों को कि डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करो, दैट इज बेटर फॉर यू. In question paper, given the credit for diagram near about, when you collect the question, all question and their diagram, near about 10 to 15 marks given to the diagram, you remember. So this is the importance of the diagram. So in NEET examination also, there is a question on the diagram. So that is a better for you, both examination. State board plus NEET examination. What you have to see today? You have to see about the parathyroid gland. You know the thyroid gland, where located in neck region, either side of trachea, just below the larynx. उसके बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ मैं आपको. थायराइड ग्लैंड कहाँ है? नेक रीजन में. फिर पैराथायराइड कहाँ पे? दैट ग्लैंड लोकेटेड ऑन पोस्टीरियर सरफेस ऑफ लोब्स ऑफ थायराइड ग्लैंड. हमारे थायराइड ग्लैंड पर ही पैराथायराइड ग्लैंड प्रेजेंट है. रिमेंबर, on the posterior surface of lobes of thyroid gland, there are 4 in number. Dear students, remember, there are 2 pairs. 2 are superior, 2 are inferior. हमारे बॉडी में पैराथायराइड की 2 पेयर है, मतलब 4. They are located on the surface of thyroid gland. 2 are called superior, 2 are called as a inferior on the posterior surface of lobes of thyroid gland. Why using the word lobe? You know that thyroid is a bilobed gland. There are 2 lobes. इसके posterior surface पे कौन सी gland है बेटा? Parathyroid gland. This is the exact location of parathyroid gland. Now, how many numbers? 4 in numbers. 2 are superior, 2 are inferior. What is the importance? क्या function होगा इसका, वो सोचना जरूरी है. This parathyroid gland secrete a parathyroid hormone or parathormone. PTH, parathyroid hormone. कौन सा हार्मोन? Parathyroid hormone. What is the role of parathyroid hormone? What is the function of parathyroid hormone in the blood, in the body? It regulates the calcium and phosphate level in the blood and other tissue. इसका function क्या है? It regulates phosphate and calcium in the blood and other tissue of the body. It is very important. When it is released, what happened? Parathyroid increase the blood calcium level. एक बात है, ध्यान में रखना है, ब्लड कैल्शियम लेवल कौन बढ़ाता है? पैराथायराइड हार्मोन secreted by parathyroid gland. So it increase the calcium level in the blood. It draw the calcium from bones. बोन से भी ड्रॉ करता है. As well as it increase the absorption of calcium from the digestive tract. अभी digestive tract क्या है? Digestive system. When you intake of food, you know, along with the food you are taking calcium. Where absorption takes place? Which is site of absorption? Small intestine. So it increase the rate of absorption of calcium from the food through the digestive tract. ये बात ध्यान में रखना है. Then it enter into the blood. So rises the level of the calcium in the blood. So 3 functions you have to remember. It increase the blood calcium level in the blood. It draw the calcium from the bones, as well as it increase the absorption of calcium from the digestive tract. Right? So this is the main function of parathyroid hormone. Concentration of calcium phosphate is maintained by parathyroid hormone, as well as there is a role of calcitonin. Both hormones play important role in maintaining the phosphate and calcium level of the blood. Calcitonin का आपको function मालूम है, it is only for calcium. It regulates the calcium level. So both are antagonistic in function, like insulin and glucagon. These are functioning in opposite in action. एक increase करता है तो एक decrease करता है. So you remember please, this is the function of parathyroid hormone. क्या क्या बताया मैंने? When it release the parathyroid hormone, it increase the blood calcium level. It draw the calcium from bones, as well as it increases calcium absorption from the digestive tract. That you have to remember. It is antagonistic function of calcitonin. It is in pair. You may got parathyroid hormone and calcitonin. Both are antagonistic in function, like insulin and glucagon. Now, this is the normal function. That calcium important, you know very well. If there is a low secretion, there is a disorder, no doubt. यदि इसका लेवल कम होता है तो क्या होता है, इसका लेवल बढ़ जाता है तो क्या होता है, देखिए. If there is hyposecretion, what is meant by hyposecretion? Low secretion of parathyroid hormone. So what happened? It lower the concentration calcium in the blood. Naturally, if there is a low secretion of calcium, parathyroid hormone, there is a low level of calcium in the blood. Due to that, increase the excitability of nerve and impulses. This is causes muscle twitch or spasm. This is called as a parathyroid tetany. मतलब आपको muscles and nerve पे इसका इफेक्ट होता है due to the low secretion of parathormone or parathyroid hormone. That increase the excitability and nerve impulses. Indirectly, there is effect on muscles. That is a muscle twitch and spasm. There may be, and it is this disease in medical term. It is called as the parathyroid tetany. So, इस पर से आपके ध्यान में आएगा. What are the importance of parathyroid hormone? What is the importance of hormone secreted by parathyroid gland? As well as if हम दूसरी साइड भी देख सकते हैं, low secretion causes pituitary tetany. If there is the secretion, it increases. If hormones increases, what happen? It is responsible for more absorption of calcium from the bone. What will happen? If पैराथायराइड का प्रमाण बढ़ गया है, पैराथॉर्मोन इंक्रीज हुआ है ब्लड में, इट्स फंक्शन, इट मेंटेन द कैल्शियम लेवल, इट कैन स्टिमुलेट टू द बोन फॉर रीअब्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ कैल्शियम फ्रॉम द बोन. नेचुरली बोन बिकम वीक, राइट, रिझल्टिंग सॉफ्टनिंग ऑफ द बोन, बेंडिंग ऑफ, काही लोकांचे पाय बेंड झालेले असतात, दॅट इज अ बेंडिंग ऑफ बोन्स, एज वेल एज due to the demineralization there chances fractures of bone naturally. Automatic काही लोकांचे बोन तुटतात due to the hypersecretion of parathyroid hormone. You remember, यदि पैराथायराइड हार्मोन का लेवल बढ़ जाता है तो बोन्स में का कैल्शियम लेवल भी कम हो जाता है. That will be more absorb, softening of bone, that you may call as the bending of the bones, maybe fracture of bone. It is called as a osteoporosis. What is the name of disease? Osteoporosis. This disease is common in female when female reaches to menopause. Female मध्ये हा डिसीज कॉमन आहे. ऑस्टिओ, कमरेचा प्रॉब्लेम लेडीजला जास्त असतो. ऑस्टिओपोरोसिस ड्यू टू दी डीमिनरलाइजेशन ऑफ बोन. व्हाई? ड्यू टू दी हाइपर, आपको ध्यान में रखना है, यदि लो सिक्रीशन से कौन सा डिसीज होता है बेटा? पैराथायराइड टेटानी. और सिक्रीशन बढ़ गया तो ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, सॉफ्टनिंग ऑफ द बोन, बेंडिंग ऑफ द बोन, फ्रैक्चर ऑफ द बोन, demineralization of bone. Got my point? So you have to remember these two disorders which are due to the hyposecretion causes parathyroid tetany, or it is also called hypocalcemic tetany. Due to the hypersecretion causes osteoporosis. This is about the parathyroid gland. Now next gland, thymus gland. Thymus gland, it is located in the chest region. in chest region appear in the part of thorax on the dorsal side of heart. हमारे dorsal side of heart में on the dorsal side of heart there is presence of thymus gland. What is importance? In childhood it is very active. When the person become adult, it undergoes atrophy. In adult it is called you may call it as a temporary gland, atrophy. इसका importance थोड़े थोड़े कम होता है according to the age. In young stage it is more active. So what is the role of thymus gland? This thymus gland secrete hormone thymosin. Thymosin is one of the most important hormone because it is directly related to immunity system. It is help to development of immunity system. It help to development of antibodies. You know very well. Antibody against of antigen. If antibody increasing, immunity system increasing, there is a role of thymus gland in the body. It secretes thymosin. So it also promotes the production of antibodies by providing humoral immunity. So this thymus gland helpful for secretion of thymosin. Remember, thymosin hormone कोणाशी related है? That directly related to immunity system. Young age मध्ये it is very active. When become person in goes to old age, that atrophied stage will be there. That day by day, that decreasing the you may call it as their decreasing the level of thymosin in the old age. In the young stage, there is a immunity is high. हम बोलते हैं ओल्ड एज में इम्यूनिटी कम होती है, उसका कारण थाइमोसिन का सिक्रेशन कम हो जाता है. दैट हेल्पफुल फॉर टू इंक्रीज द इम्यूनिटी पावर. दैट यू मे कॉल्ड एज you may call resistance power increases due to the thymosin. Because of this thymosin help in production of antibodies, that you have to remember. Another gland, that is a testis, gonad. Testis, it is a reproductive organ, dual nature. It produces the sperm plus it secretes a hormone testosterone, that you have to remember. During the puberty, beginning of maturity, their secretion of testis is going on. You know very well, in testis there is a endocrine cell. That endocrine cell called as the interstitial cell. This interstitial cell secrete a hormone testosterone. This increase the testosterone, secrete the testosterone. This testosterone helpful for development of secondary sexual character in the male. Which are the secondary sexual character? Which are the secondary sexual character? You know, that development of axillary hairs, pubic hairs. There may be broadening of the chest, voice deeper, development of secondary sex organs inside the body of male. That development of secondary sexual character under the influence of testosterone. Testosterone secreted by interstitial cells of testis under influence of ICSH hormone. In female it is called as a LH, luteinizing hormone. In male इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. It is hormone of pituitary gland. हमने pituitary में देखा है. Pituitary gland मध्ये आपण पाहिलेला आहे. That pituitary gland secrete a ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. That stimulate to the testis mean interstitial cell. Under influence of the interstitial cell, that secrete hormone testosterone, that is called as the male sex hormone, that is responsible for development of secondary sexual character in a male. Which are secondary sexual character? Develop voice deeper, development of axillary hairs, pubic hairs, broadening of the chest, development of muscles. These are the different developments are occur in the male as well as other secondary sex. Which are secondary sex organ? You know, there is a vas deferens, epididymis, there is a, you may call it as a penis, undergoes the development. Glands are there, seminical vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland, they are undergoes the development. This development under influence of which hormone? Testosterone, that is called as a secondary sexual character Though this is you have seen in this period. What you have seen? Parathyroid gland. You have seen thymus gland as well as testes. Remaining part we see next time. Thank you.